Doesn't that look fantastic? It really does, doesn't it? No, go on, admit it. Beautiful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Today we're going to make this fabulous chicken curry. So we're going to start off with our chicken. Now I'm using chicken drumsticks only today, bone in, skin on, as you can see. I think there's about 16 of them there. So that's just about 1 kg or 2.2 pound roughly. We've got half a cup of oil here. You can use any oil you want. I'm just using a sunflower oil today. And then 2 teaspoons each of salt, pepper, chili powder and turmeric. We're going to get that all on. I'm going to grab a glove and I'm going to go in and give that a mix, and then we're off to the cooker. So give that a nice little mix, the chicken. I've got a pan here. There's our chicken. The whole lot's going to go in. Just tip it all in. We're going to be on a medium heat. And I'm going to be going for about 6 or 7, turning that around, getting this chicken on its way. Beautiful. Okay, so they're looking super. What we're going to do now is I'm going to take them all out, set them aside. But we're going to keep all this lovely oil and flavours there to make our curry in. So what we've got here is 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 4 green cardamom pods, 2 star anise, nice piece of cinnamon, and I've got 4 or 5 dried red chilli. Here I've got 2 cups or 1 large decent sized onion. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste is a 50-50 mix of the two. You can buy it in many stores, or like us, you can make it yourself. So I always call this the big 4. So we've got equal parts, 2 teaspoons each, chili powder, coriander, cumin, turmeric. If you wanted, you could just be using a curry powder, but I think that the individual spices work out a little bit better. And then here we've got some fresh chili, green chili. The amount is up to you. I've got about a tablespoon there, but yeah, adjust that how you want. So I've got like 3 medium-sized tomatoes there, chopped up. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. So we're going to go back into this pan. We've got the oil in there and some lovely bits of the chicken there that's cooked, lovely flavours. We're on an above medium heat now. Cinnamon stick, dried red chilies, star anise, which I think is wonderful in this, and then cumin and green cardamom. Just for a few seconds, let them do their thing in that oil. They're really going to infuse the oil and give it fabulous flavour. Don't skip this stage. It really, really makes a big difference. We're now going to go in with the onion. We're now going to cook this onion for about 5 to 6 minutes. I want to kind of get these onions quite brown this time on this one. Beautiful. Okay, are you ready? 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Fresh chili, the amount up to you. Some additional salt. We did put salt on the chicken, remember. The fresh tomatoes. Our spices, equal amounts of 2 teaspoons each. Turmeric, cumin, coriander and chili powder. By the way, I'm using Kashmiri chili powder if you're interested. Above medium heat, stay on this, stirring fairly often. We want to go for about 5 or 6 minutes. We want those tomatoes to break down. And if you have used a nice juicy ripe tomato, you're going to get some moisture from that. Beautiful. As you can see, those tomatoes are cooking down, releasing some moisture. What we're going to do now is grab our chicken. We're going to reintroduce that. In that goes. So we're going to get a lid on this. We're going to drop it down to a simmer now, nice and low, and let it go for about 10 or 15 minutes. Now, if you didn't get any moisture from your tomatoes, just give it a little bit of water like so. So lid on, nice and low, 15 minutes, see you then. Okay, that looks fabulous, doesn't it? Really good. Off goes the heat. Delightful stuff. That is really beautiful. Check it for salt. You might want to add a bit more. We're now going to add some garam masala powder, a nice big pinch of that. Now garam masala powder is like a finishing spice. Really good stuff. Fresh cilantro, coriander, in it goes. One little mix, job done. That's a beauty. Okay, and there you go. That is absolutely beautiful. Really, really simple, really tasty. I do hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now, if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you.